welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I am Shruti and today we are going to talk about a very interesting yet attractive topic, real cash rummy apps. So, if you are fans of card games, interested in earning through gaming, or you are curious about the latest trends in app development, then this video is for you, because today we'll be covering everything related to real cash rummy apps, how they grow, how they operate, how they are facing challenges, what challenges you might face if you have one real cash rummy app, how to overcome them, and obviously some important lessons for all of you. So let's get started. Real cash rummy apps have become popular day by day by allowing various things to their users. Let's see their operation. So, real cash rummy apps allow their users to play and enjoy and earn at the same time, which attracts a huge audience. They have yet simple yet practical and attractive process. So, what the whole process is, users can simply download their app, pay the entry fee for different tournaments and different games. Different games and different tournaments have different entry fees. After the entry fee, they play the whole game or whole tournament. And after the tournament or game is over, the winner earns cash prize. The whole process is quite simple yet attractive because of the huge cash rewards. Next, let's go to their growth. So, there are several factors which can explain the huge growth of real cash rummy apps. So nowadays everyone owns their own smartphone. Plus data packs are much cheaper, and additionally online gaming is becoming popular day by day, which directly signifies to the growth of real cash rummy apps. Now let's see the challenges you might face if you have one real cash rummy app and how to overcome those challenges. So first of all, security concerns. So maintaining users' data security and financial transaction security is a very crucial issue. So what you can do here is use high quality security protocols like high quality encryptions and payment gateways, high quality payment gateways, secure payment gateways to mention that your users' data and financial transactions are secure. Next, talking about rules and regulations. So in India, different states have different legal policies related to online gambling, and there are some states where online gambling is illegal. So keep an eye on that, and what you can do here is follow the local rules and regulations, because then you will be able to run your whole operation very smoothly. Now let's talk about numbers or statistics which will prove that these applications are really growing very much. Talking about the users, so leading applications like Rummy Circle and Jungly Rummy have over 30 million registered users each. Talking about the revenue, the real cash rummy market in India is estimated to generate over $1.5 billion annually. And talking about the profit, then we have example of Rummy Circle here. So Rummy Circle reported a profit of approximately 100 crore in last financial year, proving that these applications, this market is growing a lot these days. So what you can learn from all of these, what lessons you have? First of all, user engagement is the key. So attract the users by attractive graphics and huge rewards, because your users engagement is very much important in these kind of applications. Then is security measures. So your users data and financial transactions should be secure. Next is rules and regulations. So you should follow each and every legal compliance and rules and regulations, because these are very important in these applications like real cash rummy apps. Next is fair play. So fair play is very important in real cash rummy app. So here you can use RNG, random number generated, and that too very good quality of RNGs to ensure that the fair play is on. And lastly, responsible gaming. So you should educate your users about responsible gaming practices for sustainable run of your application. So this was all about real cash rummy apps, and if you are interested in building one real cash rummy app and that too with huge revenue, feel free to contact us, because me and my team are always here to help you out. That's it for today's video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubt or any topic you would like us to cover next, please comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll meet in the next video.